Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So as usual, I'm here to make some technical analysis with you guys. I'm here to show you everything that I can see on the charts, and I'm here to explain to you how to do it yourself. So in this video, I want to take a step back and make a bit longer term analysis on GameStop and show you some cool option strategies. Let's get into it. Alright, so in my last video, basically I was explaining to you guys what is happening here. I was telling you, of course, that the second wave is expected, is healthy. Actually, I like to have this kind of corrections. Even if it's sharp like this, it's fine. It's not a problem for me. We're having a nice bullish development here that is probably going to happen in 5 waves. So let me take a step back. Let me go on the 4-hour time frame. Take a step back and show you quickly here what is happening. So once again, I have a target of 800. I think we're gonna do something like this. So you can already, check. So basically 800 on around the 25th of August, maybe we're gonna go there quicker than expected. Maybe the third wave is actually gonna go to 800. It's possible as well. Then it would arrive maybe in around the 25th of July. It's too early to say. I don't know exactly what is gonna happen, but I know that we are going higher. All right, the reason behind, guys, as usual, is here this breakout that we're having. So after breakout, we almost always having 5 waves development. So here we just finished the first wave. So we are correcting to 220, maximum 190 or 180. For example, AMC retested this trend line in AMC chart that you can see here has been retested. All right, we broke the same way. The trend line connecting the 2 highs that we're having here, we broke it and then we retested it, guys, and we corrected very deep in the second wave before this massive move up we had to 75. I mean 73, but whatever. And here we might do the same thing. So just don't panic if you see the price action a bit weak. Once again, I think Monday is going to be bullish. And then I don't know if we starting a 5 waves development higher or if we're doing a bit longer correction. So maybe some consolidation. Maybe we're going to go slightly below. I don't know. I don't care. I know that after that, whatever happens, we are going to do the third wave of my 5 waves development here. And this is going to be very interesting to see. So yeah, once again, in this video, guys, I think it's the right time for you to actually think about maybe some bullish option strategies. So what I like to do with you guys is to show you, so maybe some of you know this spreadsheet, and I like to show you guys how to build some cool option strategies and what are the ones that professionals are doing, because everybody can buy a call. Not everybody can do a smart option strategies depending on the volatility here. Option traders, we call them vol traders because what is important is the volatility. So here, I'm taking this data. So I'm going to do this with you guys up to the 400 strike. Copy, paste. Then this is not an average, so I take what is good is this is the last trading price, but what I want to have is the average between the bid and the ask. Then here my VLOOKUP needs to go. All right, so here we go. So once again, the basic strategy, guys, you buy a call option. So a call option on GameStop, it would cost you $1,700 and you can make, if the GameStop goes to 100, you can make up to $40,000 because you have 100 multiplier. So it's like having 100 equivalent shares. So this is not the strategy you want to make. You want to actually buy the 400 strike and sell, for example, the 800 strike. So this is on the July maturity. You can do it on every maturity. And here you can see that basically you are buying a volatility at 193 and you're selling a volatility at 250%. So you're selling a higher volatility than the one you're buying. This is the reason why this premium is lower. So for $1,000, you're having a call spread. So you can make the same amount of money at 800, but it costs you less. And the strategies that I really like to do, guys, is actually something that is even cheaper that we call a butterfly. So to make a butterfly, you buy one 400 call strike. Here you need to have a symmetry. So for example, you can do it every 200 points. So here I just take this strike plus 200 here as well. And here you need to have something that the sum of the options you're buying and selling must be 0. So you buy one. So when you buy one, your payoff is like this. Then you sell 2. So then your payoff is like this. You buy one here. Then from here, you're losing if we go above 600, and you don't want to lose above 800, so you cap your performance, and here you buy one as well. And now you can see, guys, that you can make up to 20,000 US dollars for only 500 USD, and you're making this money at 600. So it's a different P&L profile that is actually very interesting, guys, because the volatility is so high. So the probability to finish at 600 on the 16th of July is actually very low. So this strategy is actually tougher to make. You need to price very well in time and in spot what is going to happen. So this is why I like to associate option trading with technical analysis. That is giving me some information. If I use my chart, and you can go and check my videos in the past, and usually write on the price action levels, but also in the timing. And sometimes, of course, I'm wrong, because trading is about probabilities and expected gains. But here you can see that I expect to trade in the 500 area around, the 15th of July. So I think that a strategy like this is actually, for me, very correlated to my analysis. So I think that it's a very nice payoff for only 500 US dollars. And if you want to make something, because it's not easy to find exactly the 600 level, so you can make another strategy that I want to show you here, which is called a condor. So a condor, sorry, I need one more strike. I'm just going to do this quickly with you guys. Okay, we're going to make it every 100 points. Let me just 1 second up. I'm adding one more strike to my strategy. Bam. And then I'm going to do this every 100 points. All right. So for now, I'm here still having my butterfly. But this time I'm going to do something different. I'm going to sell one here. So we are like this. I buy one, I sell one. You know that. So for 500 US dollars, you can have a 400, 500 call spread. Then you sell one more here. Instead of selling two, you just sell the second one a bit later. So then you are doing here a basis, which is where you want to make your P&L, and you cap your loss here. So basically now we're having a condor. So maybe we can do a condor starting at 500. And this is a very nice strategy as well. And look, guys, it costs only 170 USD, and you can make up to 10,000 if GameStop finishes between 600 and 700 in July. So this is something that is, for me, likely to happen. I mean, you only spend 170 US dollars, guys. So I think it's a very nice strategy. And of course you can make, just 3 times this if you prefer. So now you're spending 500 US dollars, you can make up to 30,000. All right. Once again, because those volatilities at 220, 236 are very expensive. So this is the kind of strategies I would make. I would buy a condor. I would buy a butterfly. We call this condor, and butterfly, just because here basically you have the wings and here you have the body. So I would be buyer of the wings, seller of the body. This is how we actually talk in the market. All right, guys, so that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was interesting for you to see how you can combine technical analysis and option trading. I hope I managed to be clear enough on those option strategies, which I know is not easy, but I'm going to keep doing this. And slowly you're going to just look at this and say, yeah, that is obvious. And actually, I know how to do it myself. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to click on the sub, like, and bell button, so you're going to be the first to know when I upload anything new. And stay close to shore. I see you guys.